Well, hello there, COVID time friends. How y'all doing? Today has surely been a day of rest for us. We're just trying to really rest today and not push it. We're trying to completely get over this. It seems like we get almost over it, and we'll have a good day. We think, well, we're out of the woods on this. And then the congestion and the coughing
starts all over
starts again. Don't Mama look pretty today?
Oh, sure.
And look what we got a ham steak in the Macro Pro. Got some beautiful sweet potatoes and some biscuits. And that's lunch today. Or supper. This is early supper, isn't it, Mama?
Yeah, this is whatever.
This is the meal of the day. Mm-hmm. We did have breakfast, though.
Yes, we did.
I didn't try to do Sunday school highlights this morning because I knew time I got the whole lesson covered, I'd be in a coughing fit.
You wouldn't have stopped probably all day.
It would have been rough.
Yeah.
So we're basically just checking in to let y'all know that we're no worse. We're just the same, and we want to be better. Friday, I didn't have any really coughing spells. Not bad. I coughed a few times, but
yesterday was worse than Friday for me.
Yeah. Yesterday we both said we were feeling worse. It felt like it's starting all over.
Yeah.
But
I do pretty good. I'm getting better. I can tell the difference.
I can tell the difference in you.
Mm-hmm.
Mama's been crocheting and stuff. We've been going. It's just not at 100%. And that's what we're wanting is 100%. We didn't go to church this morning because we are still coughing and carrying on. And I wouldn't give this to nobody under any circumstances.
No, I wouldn't either.
So we're on quarantine. We've not had anybody here. We've kept that to a minimum as well. So this is what we're doing. This is a quick check-in and to say hey to y'all. And because some of y'all ask and is just worried. Don't worry, we're still, you can hear it in my voice a little bit, but I've been talking, so it's about time for having a flare up.
Yeah. So
we're going to get off from here. We're going to eat this beautiful meal, and we're going to call it an evening. It's 4:36. How do y'all like this new time? Some of you are happy, some of you are not.
I hadn't really thought about it.
You hadn't really thought about it?
No.
Well, your stove says it's 3 something. The microwave says something.
Well, the microwave, I've got to learn how to set that clock.
She says 4:36, so she correct over there.
Yeah, she's right.
Yeah, my clock automatically set, so I didn't have to fool with it.
Yeah.
So, Mama, you got anything you want to add today?
No.
Okay.
Just thankful we're getting a little better each day.
A little better each day.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully this week we'll see 100%. And we'll be right back on our regular schedule. I don't like not being on a regular schedule, and I certainly don't like not going to church.
No.
It's not like it's been a month.
Years, seems like.
Seems horrible, don't it?
Yeah.
So that's how we're going to do today, folks. Is just check in with you all and jump off from here, and we're going to call it a day. I want Mama to eat this good meal, and I don't want her to be stressed. I want you not to get
choked or
nothing. So enjoy your meal, Mama. And if y'all keep praying for us, and thank you for all the concern and some of the messages we got. Prayers. We've really coveted your prayers. We believe in the prayer for everything, whether it's a major sickness or a minor sickness or a nasty cough that don't seem to want to go away. But we're doing better. We're on the mend.
My friend said that somebody they had it for 8 weeks or longer.
Oh.
And I said, please don't tell me that.
No, we are not going to have that. We're not going to claim that by any means. All right, Mama. Tell the folks goodbye.
Goodbye, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Y'all have a blessed evening, and Lord willing, we'll see you tomorrow, and who knows what we'll be able to. But y'all have a good one. See ya. Bye-bye.